Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows 10 or 11 and updated GPU drivers. This prevents playback issues. Next, pick a live wallpaper app and install it. Choose one with good reviews and low CPU use. Once installed, launch the app and grant any desktop permissions it requests so the wallpaper can render. Make sure to free 12 GB disk space and close resource-heavy programs before applying a live wallpaper to avoid stutter. Now you import or browse wallpapers. Use MP4, WebM, or HTML5 projects for smooth motion. Once loaded, tweak performance. Lower FPS, reduce resolution, or force GPU use depending on your system to balance visuals and responsiveness. You should also set per app profiles so full-screen apps pause the wallpaper and configure monitor-specific resolutions for multi-display setups. After adjusting, preview for 10-20 seconds to confirm there's no stutter or excessive CPU. Apply the wallpaper and save a profile so you can revert quickly. This ensures consistent behavior after reboots. Then test sleep, lock screen, and running a game in full screen to confirm the wallpaper pauses or stops as desired. If you encounter lag, high CPU, or crash, restart the wallpaper app first, update GPU drivers, and lower FPS or resolution. If problems persist, switch to a lighter wallpaper format or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.